Hello dear children, we all know different words, and when we are writing it creatively, it called a word art. Today we are going to write a word Konark. Konark is the very famous temple of Odisha. Today we are going to use two pencils together and going to write a fat words which is looking like a 3D words. Let's enjoy the activity. For this activity, children, we need paper, two pencils, sketch pen, oil pastels and rubber band. Children, first we are going to tie this rubber band to these two pencils. How we will tie? See, both the points should be in a proper line, and then we will tie this rubber band to these pencils. After tying rubber band, children, we are going to write a word which is a Konark. Konark is a very famous sun temple around the world. Many visitors are visiting this place. So children, first I am going to keep it like this vertically. Yes, vertically we will keep. So I will write K O N A R K. Okay children. So after this O we are going to convert in a lovely wheel. Okay. So how we will convert? So this outer line I will join to this outer line, and this inner portion I will join to this inner line. Okay children, after completing this much, I am using this sketch pen and giving slant line or joining these lines together. So we will get a fat letters. Okay, so two lines like this. I will border this whole letters. So we are going to convert this in a wheel. So for that we need to make eight parts of this circle. Okay, then I will draw V here, V. Okay, now we will draw the design in it. So I am using these circles to draw here. Small circles we can draw, children. Now here children I am writing now of Marathi and one of Marathi. Okay, like this we will draw overhaul. Then I will join these lines like this. Then I am here having lines here, so I will draw circles here. Like this you can complete this. Then children I am giving zigzag line effect here. If you want, you can draw circles or semicircles, anything. Children, you can take any color for the shading. I am going to show you two types of shading now. So I will use violet color, light violet color and dark violet here. So three colors we can use. Yes. And if you want to use any other color like this green, medium green and light green. So two types of coloring I am showing. It is upon you how to do the shading. Okay, so dark I am giving from down, then I am merging it with normal violet or medium color you can say. Then you can use this light color here. At the end you can use white. Okay, and children, you all know the technique. If your color cannot merge, we can merge it with our fingertip. Okay, if you want to do with another technique children, it is our dark color. So dark color from right side, then medium, and then light. So two techniques are there. Anyhow you can do, no problem at all. And even children, you can change the color and we can feel different colors with the help of sketch pens. Now children, we learn how to do this type and this type, two types of shading for our words. Like that, I have changed the color. I used brown, yellow ochre and yellow color to shade this words. So now how we can color this wheel? All wheel parts are very small. So we can use different color sketch pens to color this wheel. Like this orange, yellow, red, green, blue. Children, you can change the color of the wheel also. After completing whole drawing, I have given this shadow effect to this letters. Children, try to do this. Enjoy this activity.